creamy and comforting goodness, impress with this all-veggie Italian classic. Tender and zesty, always a winner. Preheat the oven and bring 5 cups of water to a boil. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt. After you've washed all the produce, take the spring onions and thinly slice them, separating whites from greens. Next, mince the garlic. Finely chop the parsley and zest the lemon before cutting it in half. Now take the asparagus and remove the woody bottom ends. Then cut them crosswise into even pieces. Put a large pan over high heat. Once the oil is hot enough, add the peas and stir constantly until lightly charred and tender. Wonderful! Now transfer the peas into a bowl. Heat up some olive oil in the same pan. Add the spring onions, garlic, and rice. Cook, stirring until that delicious smell infuses the air. Pour in the stock concentrate, 1 cup of warm water, and stir until it's mostly absorbed. Repeat with the remaining water until the risotto is nice and creamy. After the risotto has cooked for 10 minutes, put the asparagus on a baking sheet with a drizzle of oil and season it. Slide it into the top rack of your oven and roast until tender and lightly browned. Check if the risotto is nice and fluffy and the rice al dente. Good, then reduce the heat to low. Now add only half of your veggies, zest and lemon squeeze, parmesan, along with a bit of water to combine. The risotto should be a little loose and saucy right before serving. It will thicken as it cools, so add more water if necessary. Divide the risotto between bowls and top with the remaining veggies, parsley and parmesan. And for extra freshness, a lemon squeeze. Buon appetito!